Hello everyone. If you keep getting this error 0xC00007B when you're trying to launch any application, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying Windows error easily. So I'm going to show you two solutions. The first one is you're going to open up the start menu, you're going to write here command, you're going to click on to run as administrator or right click onto command prompt and click on run as administrator, click yes on here. And here you're gonna put in all of these commands. You're gonna put in this command first. You're gonna press enter, and then you're gonna put in this command, and then you're gonna put in this one, and so on. You're gonna put all of these commands, and after that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna open up the start menu again. You're gonna write control panel. You're gonna go into uninstall a program, and you're gonna uninstall Microsoft Visual Studio. So all of these you have, you're gonna uninstall all of these. And after that, you're going to restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, you're going to open up your web browser. You're going to go on to this link. I'm going to give this link to you in the description. You're going to scroll down here and you're going to download both of these files, x86 and x64. So just download and install both of these files. And after that, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer once again, once you're done with installing both of these files. And after you're done with the restart, then you can try to launch your application and you will see that your error will have been fixed. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was to fix that annoying Windows error. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.